Welcome to the Altium Designer tutorial series. This is tutorial 9, and in today's lesson, I'll show you how to insert a 3D step file into Altium Designer. Let's start with the PCB I have open. Go to the Place menu and click 3D Body. Then click the Browse button and locate the step file from its saved location on your computer. Once imported, the model will appear on your footprint. You may need to adjust its position, rotation, or scale so it aligns perfectly with the pads and outline. Use the Properties panel to fine-tune these settings. When everything looks correct, save the footprint and return to your PCB layout. You'll now see the realistic 3D model of your component in the 3D view. A step file is a standardized 3D model format used in both mechanical and electronic design. By adding step models to your PCB components, you can create realistic visualizations, check mechanical clearances, and ensure your design fits perfectly inside an enclosure. Adding step models not only makes your PCB look professional, but also allows you to export the complete assembly for mechanical verification in CAD tools, helping you avoid costly design changes later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Altium Designer tips.